fast-moving digital world, information technology is not just a skill, it's a necessity. At Makerere Institute for Social Development, we prepare you to lead in the digital revolution.
I'm Jamal Sharat. I've been doing accounting and finance. I've been pursuing a diploma. This has been my last semester and last year.
And my name is Declan Twazon Mugabe. I have been a student of Makerere Institute for Social Development. I've been pursuing a diploma in journalism and media studies, and it has been a beautiful experience.
My name is Navalamba Jerel Lucky. I've been pursuing a diploma in social work and social administration.
My name is Cheryl Penina. While at misd, I did journalism and mass communication.
Makerere Institute, these guys are good. They came out looking for us. I was somewhere volunteering. They came and gave in some papers. So I was one of the people that were chosen to come on bursary. So I've been here on half bursary. I would pay half. They would pay for me half. That is how I joined.
The fact that they do national papers, and at campus, at a bachelor's level, they would really prefer someone who has done national papers. So it really pushed me to come and do a national diploma.
Why did I choose Makerere Institute for Social Development? First of all, it is affordable. Everyone can afford to study here. The tuition, the dues, plus every other fees that is required is very, very affordable. And besides that, they have different learning schedules or programs. If you do not study during the weekdays, you can choose to study in the evenings or on the weekend. All those programs are there, So if you're a busy person, busy with work or other things, you can choose to study in the evening or over the weekend. That also is an advantage. So why I chose here, it is affordable. It is, its learning schedule is also very, very good. The lecturers are very friendly and parental. The environment itself is very conducive as well.
I chose Makerere Institute for Social Development because it was the best school and the tuition was low compared to other institutions.
Learning experience has been good because I've been an evening student. It's been so easy for me from work to campus. It's been so good.
It has been really so good, so soft. The fact that I've been a day student, I really had the time to interact with my lecturers and have like a good hours of lectures.
I, for one, being a student of journalism, have improved on my skills of public speech and communication. That aside, in the field of journalism now, I have become actually a professional news reporter, news anchor. I do news writing and editing. That aside, there is a lot of hands-on work to do with handling the cameras, that is photography, videography, and for those that are also pursuing other disciplines, that is to say ICT, fashion design and tailoring, there's a lot of practical work here, so there's a lot to learn.
My learning experience was good because misd has the best lecturers compared to the ones I found here.
By the time misd found me, I was working with a microfinance. So it was just practical, like I'm doing accounting and finance. So I would just go back, practice what I was studying. And actually after that job, I'm working in accounts right now before even I graduate. So it's been good.
First and foremost, my very lecturer is Mr. John Peter Okirol. He's the senior lecturer for language, communication, and he's the head of department for journalism. He's one of my senior lecturers. He's a very, very good person. He knows what he does and he'll make you love the profession more. That aside, all the other lecturers have also been good. They have played a very, very crucial role in training us and mentoring us.
I gained video editing, being a camera personnel, like presenting things in journalism?
I had my internship at a health center, and I had really a good experience. Yeah, I was working with the ART clinic. I was working with HIV patients. I learned how to handle HIV patients, new HIV pregnant mothers, and mothers that are HIV and their kids are not. Yeah.
I have three. There is a gentleman called Dennis. There is another called Julius, and there is a lady who taught us business law. She has been a good mentor in many things of how to handle cases, how to answer questions. She was very good.
My biggest and most memorable experience at the Institute was when I was given the opportunity, the chance to take part in the National Newsroom Contest or the competitions for journalists majorly. This happens annually, and for my very first time actually as a first timer, I was even in first year, I was given an opportunity. This is a rare thing. On most of the other institutes of higher learning, they would consider students in third year, second year, or finalists to go represent their institutes or universities at such levels of competition. But my most memorable experience was when I was in first year, actually first semester. I happened to come at a season when these competitions were going to happen, and I was given the opportunity to represent, and guess what? We performed very well, because for that very year, the institute emerged number 2 in the national television competitions. We emerged number 2, and even the following year we did outstandingly well. Actually, we were number 1 in the radio competitions, which is a great experience. All that aside, interacting with people, being around the place, it has been a beautiful experience altogether.
The lecturer who inspired me the most was John Peter O'Clone, yeah, because he treated us good while at campus, and he encouraged us. Yeah, he made us love the course we chose.
Mr. Makonde, first of all, he's very principled. He's a good man. Okay, like he interacts with students. When he teaches, you really understand everything. And trust me, in all his course units, I've been getting A's.
Specifically, let me talk about that lady that taught us business law. She taught us different skills of how to go and really hunt out for a job. Right now, the job where I am, so it was all about networking amongst us, and someone connected me. So that's what she told us.
Yeah, to the students out there that are considering to join Makerere Institute for Social Development, I want to assure you that you are making the very right choice. This is the right place, as their motto states, facilitating your career. And trust me, by the time you leave this place, you are work ready, because this place is a great place anyways. It is a very beautiful place. Like I've said, there is a lot of work, practical work, hands-on experience, networking opportunities. Yeah.
Wow. I was on the Guild Council, and it was really a good experience. Yeah, I got to learn on how to lead other students. We had many freshers balls. Yeah, and we would enjoy as students.
Advice would be, just in case they ever dropped a paper at your workplace or at your church, anywhere, wherever they found you, take that opportunity, kindly run for it. Come to misd. First of all, they have the best lecturers, and their learning environment is favorable, their schedule is favorable. Come, even the weekend students, even when you're working, it's very favorable.
Graduating from Makerere Institute for Social Development, first of all, it means a lot to me as a person. I mean, every person graduating, I don't know how other people feel, but every person that is going to graduate, or every person graduating, would feel excited, they would feel nice about the experience. But me as a person, of course, this means a lot. It means life, you get. Because even out there, like in the work field, when you're to venture in the work field, of course, one of the things people look at is how practical are you, how reliable are you, and those are some of the things that I've picked from here. I don't know what happens at the other institutes anyway, but I believe I'm working out a better and bigger person.
conversing with my friends. Yeah, we could converse, laugh, talk anything we want while I was with them. Yeah, the achievement I can say, like being confident, talking, like believing in yourself.
Maybe you choose to specialize. Me personally, I want to be a medical social worker. Yeah. So I really think being a medical social worker is really, it's a good competitive advantage, yeah, compared to other types of social workers.
The advice I can give students out there who want to join Makerere Institute for Social Development is Makerere Institute for Social Development is the best institution you can go on because everything is good. You can pay tuition at any time. Yeah. Graduating means a success because it's like the thing which took me to missing, I've got it. So like I've succeeded on what I wanted on missing.
It has really been a great pleasure sharing my experience. I call upon all those that want to join the institute. The doors are open. Come through the senior 4 vacists, senior 6 vacists, even those at the higher levels that maybe want to upgrade or add on in any field. It could be ICT, tailoring, catering, business, any field. Please just come through and register. The offices are open.
Thank you for watching misd.
And let them facilitate your career.
With a lot of excitement for Makerere Institute.